morning. It's currently 4:59 a.m. I'm going to pick up 3 of my friends right now. We're going to drive 4 hours to Lake Placid in the High Peak region. We're looking to do Sawtooth Mountain, Colvin Mountain, and Blake Peak. All 3 of those are high peaks in the Adirondacks. There's 46 mountains that are over 4,000 feet elevation. If you climb all 46, you're a 46er. That's what I'm going for. I'm at 10 right now. So like I said, all 3 of those are high peaks. We're also looking to stop at Indian Head, which is like a really popular destination in the Adirondacks. If you're familiar with Adirondack hiking, you've probably seen a picture of Indian Head. And I haven't ever been, and neither have my friends, so we are going to check that out. And yeah. All right, just got the boys. You boys ready? We're vlogging this trip, all right? This is Jake.
It's good.
This is other Jake.
Really?
And this is Jose.
The other.
Yo, bro, you know where the trailhead is?
Oh, I saw a shooting star.
Little stretch pit stop. It was early morning. Buddy Jake over here came from Rochester, had an hour and a half drive before us. I got up at 4:15. That's pretty early for me.
Thanks.
Yeah, she was pointing at the west coast, beaming like a street light. Got my white denim jacket and my bolo tie. Snuck past mom and dad.
When you get yourself a nice pair of hiking boots, bring them on the hike. Don't leave them on the washing machine in your mudroom 4 hours away. Only idiots do that. I did that, in case you didn't know where I was going with that. And these aren't the worst thing to hike in, but not ideal. Rainbow Falls, destination number 1. We just reached the trail for Sawteeth. We're starting our ascent. The shoes are holding up. It's actually not that muddy. I figured it'd be like really muddy, but. Jake, how you feeling?
I'm good. My shins hurt, and I peed myself.
Feel that?
Service up here.
Bought this granola bar
Yes.
for the sole purpose of the aesthetic.
It's pretty aesthetic.
Alright, just made it to the top of Sawtooth. I'd say that was slightly harder than expected. Honestly, it wasn't that bad till the very end. I got my feet soaked, so really wishing I had my boots right now. But yeah, Sawtooth Mountain. This will be high peak number 11 for me.
Closer and closer.
That's some good tea. It's too hot.
To see New York reflected on subway trains. 20 more, be 44, head back to Tambay. I killed a man there in spite. When he died, I took his place.
Just got on top of Pyramid Peak. As you can see, this is beautiful. We're not quite to Gothics, but this is a real nice pit stop.
That's Indian Head over there, right?
Alright, we skiing down, right?
We still have another 0.4 miles to get to the top of Gothics right there. Should go quick, but look at that view.
Years to see New York reflected on subway trains. 20 more, be 44, head back to Tempe. I killed a man there in spite. When he died, I took his place.
We heard you the first time, the first 5 times.
Jose stayed back. He's cramping up.
Straight goon. We've been hiking
Gothics Peak, number 12.
9 in the morning.
Parked all the way down there at that golf course. Walked like 3.5 miles. From there, came up, went left to Sawtooth Mountain, came up Pyramid, up to a false summit of Gothics, and over here. And now we have to go all the way back. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is my first time vlogging, and I think it's going okay. I'm not gonna know how well I did until I edit the video, but I'm trying to keep everything precise, kind of straight to the point. I want the video to be more about the cinematography and the views of everything, and just kind of chiming in to let you know what's going on. So right now we're coming down Gothic Summit, and to be honest, that's one of the harder hikes for sure that I've done in the Adirondacks as far as trail condition. Super muddy, super rocky, and really steep. Super tired right now. The trail's starting to mellow out. We're heading down to the base. Probably have another mile to go, and then we'll start heading to Indian Head. Yeah, hopefully we will. Yeah, no, we're gonna stay at Indian Head until sunset, which should be really, really beautiful. I'm so unbelievably tired, it's not even, my feet are gone. My feet, I'm here, my feet are gone right now. I don't know how I managed to get my feet to bring me up another half mile to get up to here, but we have made it to Indian Head. I mean, that's just incredible. I mean, that's incredible. My feet are gone. I'm not going to be able to walk for a week, but that is incredible.